Fabric heaven. I'm in fabric heaven. Yes, I found Fabrictopia. I found Fabrictopia, and I guess this is Houston. I thought it was going to give me something in Katy, but no, I guess there's not. But yes, it's very colorful. Let me see, what's this? Oh yeah, if you got the leather thing going on, yep, they got it. You got the stripe, you got the knits. All depends on what you need. When I asked them for, they said they didn't have, but this looked like the lining I could use to put on the blanket. Let me see, how much is it? $7.99 a yard. Not bad. Let's see what else they got up here. All kinds of whimsical stuff here. Maybe beach wear. What's this here? Things influence needs to do. Okay. Whatever it says. Okay. Alright, well, we came, we saw. Bye.